Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Now we need to search for settings and just go to the app settings. On this window, just scroll down and click on repair from the reset section and then click on reset. Once done, go to search bar, type here PowerShell and click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. On this window, to avoid mistakes, just you will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on Windows PowerShell. You can follow my screen and hit it and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close this PowerShell window, click on Start icon and open Task Manager. Now select Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now close this window. Go to search bar and then type here msconfig and click here to open it. It will open system configuration. Then go to Services tab, check this option and select Disable All. Then click on Apply and then OK, and simply restart your machine. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.